soft.
You're gonna use this one like that.
That's so hot. I want chocolate.
Wow, chocolate.
Hey, you want? It's tanghulu. Tanghulu. I know tanghulu. Then taste this. Wow. Yummy. What's this in the top?
I'm gonna put one on your ano, table. Yeah.
So hot. So hot. Look at that custard inside. I'm eating glass on top. I have more.
Nasa yung phone ni Kate, Lab?
I have more.
Nasa yung phone niya. Ni Kate? Ah, okay.
Itong lagay mo dyan.
I have one too. I have
Ah.
one too.
Galing
I have
naman.
one too.
Very good. Is that Tanggulo donut? I think that's Tanggulo donut.
That's called caramelized cream puff. Wanna try?
Yeah.
It's like this. It tastes like tanghulu.
It tastes like Tanggulo. Bite it, bite it. Ito mo, bite it. Oh, it's Tanggulo. It's Tanggulo. Sarap. Eat ka ng Tanggulo.
So yummy. Yum.
It's a glass sugar.
Make a sound.
Oh, makes a sound. It's crackling.
Garlic bread. Cheers.